Hi, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to go over our payroll preparation task. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. And then we're going to go ahead and review the task by going to Firm Templates. And then Task. And then we're going to go ahead and open that task. Here you can see the name of the template, that it was assigned to the payroll specialist role. It starts today and is due in 2 days. And then our subtask is to enter the information into the payroll system. We're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. And normally this is going to be a part of your payroll pipeline, but today we're going to assign it as a one-off task so you can see what it looks like once it's been assigned to you or a team member. So click New, Task. We're going to assign it to our test account. And then we're going to select our template, which is our payroll preparation task. We're going to see that it is assigned again to our payroll specialist role. And then at the bottom, we're going to have our start date and due date. And that our subtask is to enter the information into the payroll system. We're going to go ahead and click Create. So this task has been assigned to our client. And then once we click on that task, you can see what it looks like once it's been assigned. Once you have entered all the information into the payroll system, you can go ahead and click on the box to check mark that item. It's going to go ahead and cross it out. And then you can go ahead and mark your status as completed. This is going to remove that task from your active tasks. You can go ahead and click Save. And now you can see that task is no longer an active task on your client account. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.